If you're working or a student, it's hard to go shopping every single day. So when you go shopping, you'll buy in a bigger quantity, and then when you bring it, you have to freeze them. So today I'm going to show you how to defrost your chicken or meat. You take it out the chicken, then pour some room temperature or cold water. Also, you add some salt and vinegar and let it sit for about 15 to 30 minutes to defrost. Keep one plastic bag on side so you can discard unwanted item. Now your chicken is defrosted, so you can take scissor and take cut all the fat or unwanted pieces that you don't want. Just like doctor, you're taking all the fat out from the chicken. You just do a little surgery basically on the chicken or meat, because I like to clean all the fat from it. I like non-fat chicken or meat, so I am very picky on cleaning, and I clean everything, all the fat that I see, all the white parts or unnecessary stuff that I do not like, and then all the discard I'm putting in the bag. You will see at the end. Now continue with all your chickens and clean them one by one and take all the fat out. Once your chicken is clean, you can rinse it out twice or 3 times with a clean water. Sometimes chicken has a strong smell, so to get rid of that smell, you can add 1 tablespoon basin and then rinse it with clean water for once or twice, and hopefully the smell will go away. All discard, you put it in a bag, close it up, and put that bag in your garbage. Make sure you sanitize your sink and countertop. Ta-da! Your chicken is ready for cook for your recipe. You can enjoy however you want. Thank you for watching.